Press the Select button under the Home icon. Use the navigation buttons to highlight the Language icon. Press Select. Use the up and down arrow keys to browse to your desired language. Press the Select button under the Home icon to complete language selection. Next, set the media type. Highlight Settings and press Select. Navigate to Media Type. Use the up and down arrow keys to select the appropriate media type. Next, navigate to Print Method. Use the up and down arrow keys to match the media type. Next, set the Media Sensing method. Navigate to Sensors and press Select. Use the up and down arrow keys to select the sensing method.